At the beginning of 2024, I was 55 years old and still stupid short for retirement. I had been trying multiple things online because I knew if we didn't figure out something different, we were going to be working well past 65. And that was scary to us. And then in February of 2024, I made a decision. I was going to learn digital marketing skills, plain and simple. And just before my 56th birthday, yes, the exact same year that I started this, I retired from my 9 to 5 for good because in that 1 year, I'd made over $650,000 online. Like, it's amazing what one decision and 1 year can do to your life, right? That number just continues to multiply. Last month alone, I made over 105,000 Canadian dollars. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I did it. And the two things that made the biggest difference that probably nobody talks about, in all honesty. So stick with me, my friend. And hey, if we have not met yet, I'm Wendy. I'm a 57-year-old grandma of 3 from a little town in Ontario, Canada. And since that one decision in February 2024, I've gone on to make well over 7 figures online. And now my passion is to help other midlifers to do the same. And if you've ever thought, I don't know where to start, I'm not good with technology, or I've tried things before and they just didn't work out, my friend, you're exactly who I made this video for, because that was totally me. But before we dive in, I want you to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's in the description below. It is the exact roadmap that I personally use to go from stupid short for retirement to return at 55. So you can grab that in the link below and let's get into it. Here's the thing. When I was trying to figure out how to make money online, I kept hitting the same 3 things that were holding me back over and over and over again. So number 1, I didn't have an in-demand product to sell. Like, I had no idea what to sell to people that they wanted to buy. And the second thing is that tech felt way too complicated for me. And it honestly made my brain hurt just thinking about tech. And number 3, I was still working full time. I didn't have hours and hours to sit down and try to figure all of this out on my own. Didn't want to go to YouTube University and try to piece the things together. And here's what I've learned since then. Those are the exact same 3 things that hold a lot of people over 50 back from ever making a single dollar online. If that's you, I'd love to hear in the comments. Let me know. So let me show you exactly how I worked through each one of those things one by one, because once I did, everything changed. And I mean everything. Now, this one was the biggest relief for me when I started out, because the moment I thought about making money online, I thought, okay, what am I going to sell? Like, I don't have a course. I don't have an ebook. I don't have anything. And I have no clue what I would even do. Like Hot Mess Express in your 50s, that I could show you. And that stopped me because here's the thing. I didn't know that there are business models specifically designed for beginners where the product is already pre-built. It's already proven and you could sell it and keep 100% of the profit. I had no clue that existed, but it's called master resell rights. And when I first heard that, I thought, okay, like, what does that even mean? So let me explain it simply to you. Think about college. We all know college, or we've spent a lot of money for our kids to go to college, right? A college will teach the exact same course over and over again, year after year after year, and people pay for it every single time. The college keeps all the tuition, right? But imagine if that college turned around and said to you, hey, if you share this course and bring people in, we'll do all the teaching, we'll do all the course outline, and you get to keep the money for the tuition, like every single dollar. Like, that would be amazing, right? That is exactly what master resell rights is. So when I joined this course, it came with all of the course structure, all the outlines, everything that it gave me the education to learn this digital marketing skill set, automations, email marketing, you name it. Plus, it gave me programs that I could then sell and make that 100% profit. And that, like, it blew my mind. I didn't even understand how that was possible. But here's the part that really matters. And this is something that I wish somebody had told me or explained to me right way back in the very beginning. It is not enough just to have a product. You need a product that people are actually searching for. You could put all your time and effort in the world of selling something that nobody actually wants, and it's just going to sit there and you're going to hear crickets. It's like trying to sell a cassette tape in a digital world. Like, it's not going to work anymore. There was a time for that, but that's not now. No matter how great that cassette tape is, the music that's on it, right? It's just not going to work. But when you have a product that people are already actively looking for, they're searching, they're typing into Google every single day, that changes everything. And that is exactly what these products are: how to make money online, how to work from home, how to build an income after 50. These are some of the most searched topics in the entire internet right now. People are already out there looking for this. I just put it in front of them. And that's why these products move. Not because I'm some amazing salesperson, because I don't like selling, but because the demand is already there. Now, here's the thing: this is not some new fancy concept. It really just is referral marketing. And referral marketing has been around like forever. Let me share a story here. Once I started learning these skills, and once I started putting myself out there in the digital space, people would come to me and say, Wendy, how are you learning all of this? And I'd say, hey, like, I took this course. Do you want to check it out? And they'd say, yes. So I'd share it with them. That's referral marketing. And the fact that I get to make a profit for doing that, that's not weird. And that's not complicated. That is just what referral marketing looks like. So pointing someone to something that generally helped you and getting rewarded for it, that's what it is. Now, I know what some of you are thinking: Wendy, aren't you just buying a course to sell a course? And I want to nip that in the bud right away, because no, this is not what this is. This is a full digital marketing education. You are learning real skills, skills that you can apply to anything online or offline for that matter. And I can share a little story here. Like, when I was still working my full-time job, my 9 to 5, and I was taking this course, my employers knew that I was taking this, and I was learning all this digital marketing stuff. And they said, hey, Wendy, like, can you apply any of this to our business? It's a brick and mortar business. I manage an entertainment farm, like pumpkin patch, corn maze. So I said, yeah, you know what? Let me try. So I started building funnels. Yes, me, this non-techie grandma, building funnels, because I learned how to do it. And honestly, it wasn't as hard as I thought or as complicated. Like, things have gotten so much easier with tech because it's come a long way, my friend. Like, there's so much AI helps and so many systems now that hold your hand as you go through the whole process. And for those of us who are not naturally techie, honestly, that's a real lifesaver, right? So I started creating email sequences, those funnels, putting together offers, and getting them online in my 9 to 5. And you know what happened? Like, we increased their profitability by 30%. A brick and mortar business, 30%. That is the power of learning a real skill set. It does not matter if you use it online or offline. Digital marketing skills can be applied to absolutely anything. And that is why Forbes right here is dictating that it's going up, and it will continue to go up. So learning this skill set is a must if you want to make money in the online space. So there's no product creation, no guesswork, no months of building something before you can even make a single dollar. You are learning and earning at the same time. And for this 55-year-old grandma who had zero idea what to sell, that was everything. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, Wendy, like, this sounds absolutely amazing, but I want to understand exactly how this all fits together, I want you to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint, like I mentioned before. It's in the description. I literally lay it out for you. It's completely free, and it's the exact roadmap that I personally used to build this. Now, you just heard me talk about building funnels at that entertainment farm, this non-techie grandma. Like, because here's the thing: when I first started looking at making money online, I thought, there's no way. Like, I am not techie enough for this, like, at all. Funnels, automations, email sequencing, it all sounded like a foreign language. And I honestly felt like this whole online world was built for young people, like people half my age. But here's the kicker, right? That program that I found came with everything already built for me. Like, everything, like the website was pre-built, capture pages pre-built, the email sequences already written. All I had to do was personalize them to me and connect them to my domain. And they walked me through video steps on how to do this every single step of the way. And it was very beginner-friendly videos that I could pause, rewind, and watch again, because yes, my 55-year-old brain sometimes just needs that. Sometimes twice, okay, sometimes maybe even 3 times. But that's totally okay, right? You work at your own pace. And here's what I also want you to know. Tech has come such a long way, like I mentioned before. Like between AI, simplified systems, and they basically hold your hand through the whole process. It's nothing like it used to be. And I figured if I can watch a video, I can learn. And if I can follow along step by step, I can do this. And that is exactly what I did. So if you have that same ability, and I know that you do, and you're sitting there thinking, well, if Wendy can do it, you can do it, then do it because this strategy works. It works for me and it's working for thousands of people in our community. I see them every single day, and some of them are way older than me. And here is what I want you to hear. The tech is not the barrier. The belief that you can't do tech, that is the barrier. Because once I got that out of my head and I just followed the steps, then everything opened up. So if you can send an email, if you can watch this video right here, you have enough tech knowledge to get started. I promise you that. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that there's nothing to learn because obviously there is. We need to learn all about this. But here's the thing. Everything is broken down into simple step-by-step video and pieces that you can watch. You watch it, you can apply it, and you watch it again if you need to. And then you do it. Think about it in this way. Look at everything you've already figured out in your life. Like you've raised kids, you navigated careers, you learned things you never ever thought you could possibly learn. Now, this is no different than that. Like you've been figuring things out your whole life, and you are not going to stop now. And here's the best part. You're not doing this alone because if you ever get stuck, and yes, sometimes you're going to get stuck. There are live tech support calls, real people, real help, and real answers. And I cannot tell you how much I love that because nothing kills momentum faster than hitting a roadblock and not knowing who to ask. That problem does not exist in this community. You'll always have somebody that knows a little bit more than you do. You have the desire, you have the ability, and you have the support. That is all you need, my friend. And that brings me to the third thing. And honestly, this was the one that I thought was going to stop me completely. So stick with me. Now, some people think they don't have enough time to start something like this. And I get it. I really do. But here's the thing. For me, if I didn't take the time now, I was going to be putting in a whole lot more time later. So I was going to be working past 65, maybe past 70, trading a lot of time for dollars for the rest of my life. So I decided it was time to invest in something different for me and our family. But here's the beautiful thing about e-learning. There is no timeline. There's no professor telling you that you have to have a chapter done by Friday. You move through the training as fast or as slow as you want. You learn something, you apply it, and you grow your income. Simple as that. So when I started this, I was still working that full-time job. And those hours at work, they're non-negotiable. I had to be there, right? At that time and at that location. I couldn't change that. And when I wasn't working, I wanted to be present for my family and my grandkids. I didn't want to be chained to a computer trying to figure something out and be on a timeline and have this pressure. So here's what I did. I fit this into the pockets of my day. One of my favorite things to do, and I still smile thinking about this, I had about a 25-minute drive to work. I commuted because I'm in a small town, limited jobs here, right? I turned that time into my car office, my car learning time. Like I could just pop on one of the training modules and listen while I was driving to work. That time was just sitting there going to waste anyways. I might as well use it to build something meaningful to me, right? And then once your business is up and running, we teach you what we call the 2-hour blueprint. 2 hours a day of income producing activities. And here's the thing. Those 2 hours do not have to happen all at one time. It's a little bit here before work, maybe a little on your lunch and a little in the evening. Or maybe you want to do more batching on a Saturday and then have the rest of the week free with just a little bit of replying to emails here and there. It is entirely up to you because it is your business. Like we give you the blueprint, we guide you every step of the way, but how you fit it into your day, that is completely yours to decide, which is what I love. It gives you that freedom. And that's the flexibility that was everything to me. Because for the first time in my entire working life, I was building something that worked around what mattered to me the most, not the other way around. But here is the really exciting part. So once you have learned the skills, once you've put in those pockets of time, once you have followed the 2-hour blueprint, something amazing happens. Your business starts running without you. Now, I know that sounds too good to be true. I thought the same thing when I first heard about it, but let me tell you what automation actually means in real life and what it looks like. So it means that while you are sleeping, your systems is out there working for you. While you're at the grocery store, your emails are going out. While you're watching your grandkids, your emails are answering questions, building trust, and guiding people towards your products without you lifting a finger. We call that our freedom machine. And once you experience it for the very first time, there is nothing like it. It's like, wow, like I can't even it's like, woo, I just made a sale and I was playing with my grandkids. So let me just share an example of this. I mean, it happens every day, but last February, while we're at the water park with my family, we escaping the cold winter here in Canada, we're living our best snowbird life. I was laying in a reclining chair, watching my grandkids splash around and have fun in the pool, and just being my grandma and just enjoying life. And then, boom, I looked down at my phone, gave me a little ding notification, and a sale had come in. I was not running my business. My business was running while I was enjoying life. And that, my friend, is the whole point of automation. This is not luck. That is your freedom machine doing the heavy lifting while you are out there living your life. And that's what you learn to implement in this business model. And that's exactly what I want for you. Not just the income, but the freedom that comes with it. The ability to be completely present with the people that you love the most, making those memories, and still having your business growing in the background. That is what learning these digital skills makes possible. And that is what learning and implementing this system makes possible. And that is what I believe with everything in me, it's possible for you too. You just got to learn it. So there you have it. That is the 3 things that were holding me back and how I worked through every single one of them because I found this system and this skill set. You don't need to create an in-demand product. You don't need to really have tech skills, and you don't need to have all the time in the world. All 3 things gone because I made one decision to invest in something completely different, to train my brain how to do it. That one decision completely, absolutely changed our life. And here's what I want to leave you with today. 2 years ago, I was sitting exactly where some of you might be right now, wondering if retirement was ever going to feel secure, wondering if it was too late, wondering if somebody like me could actually make this work. I was 55 years old, a grandma from a small town in Ontario. We were stupid short for retirement. I'm not techie. I didn't have a product. I really didn't have much time and no idea if this was going to work. But here I am, 7 figures online, retired at 55, watching my grandkids at the water park while business runs in the background and making sales. It's not too late. You are not too old, and you are not too far behind. You just need the right system to learn the right skills and have the right support. And all 3 of those things exist. I am living proof of that. So here's your next step. Go grab my free class. It's linked in the description below. It walks you through the entire system step by step, so you can see exactly how it works. There's no pressure, there's no obligation. Just come and have a look and see if it feels right. Only you can decide that. And if you want to see how I went from stupid short for retirement to making over $650,000 in my very first year online, then you're going to want to watch this video right here where I walk you through every single detail. And when you pair that with everything I just showed you today, it's going to be so much more powerful. You're going to be like, wow, you were made for more, my friend, and your time is right now. I will see you over in that video. See ya.